Bonjour, je m'appelle Sophie and in today's video I'm going to recreate the already iconic Emily Cooper outfit from the latest Netflix series Emily in Paris. So let's get into the video. So when I saw Netflix revealing the first trailer of the series, I immediately was in love with the outfits because there were like outfits in the 1-minute trailer, so I had to do my research, and turns out Darren Star is the director of the series. He's also the director of Sex and the City, but it gets better because the one and only Patricia Field is the costume designer of Emily Cooper's outfits. And if you don't know Patricia Field, she's the costume designer of The Devil Wears Prada and Confessions of a Shopaholic, and that turns out to be my favorite movies ever. So I had to dig deep in my closet to find the right outfits. I also did some DIYs, but now it's time to show you the outfits. Enough with the talking, let's go! Let's start off with the first look. Outfit number 2.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away.
Outfit number 3. Outfit number 4.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow.
Outfit number 5.
Hey, what's your style? What you drinking? What's your vibe? I've been feeling rather sad in the corner of my glass. Pouring up with the blue champagne, blue champagne, blue champagne. Let's celebrate with the blue champagne, blue champagne.
Outfit number 6. Outfit number 7. Outfit number 8.
So let me hear you out. Do you wanna let go? Wanna let go? Kill the silence. Are we meant for each other?
Outfit number 9.
Pouring up with the blue champagne, blue champagne, blue champagne. Let's celebrate with the blue champagne, blue champagne. All my feelings run away in a sip of all the colors. Celebrate with the blue champagne, blue champagne.
Outfit number 10.
Be free.
Outfit number 11.
Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober.
Outfit number 12. Also, let me know if you're going to watch the series so we can talk about it in the comments. And yeah, I see you again next week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that's super sweet. And see you next time. Bye bye.